Alright guys, this is a quick video of install of Raxiom taillights. As you can see, they look great. They fit pretty well, and they look really nice. So straightforward installation. You'll get this harness right here, basically this cut right here, and you will connect it inside here. You will take off the original harness. So usually this right here would be the one connected. This would be connected to this, but now basically it's like an extension. You'll get this harness that comes with taillights, and then you'll connect it to this, one of them to here, and then you will connect the other end to this one, to your old harness. You'll then use your reverse lights, so I unplugged it, and then this would connect to the actual taillight right there, and then that's basically it. Then you just bolt it back in, and that's literally how you install them. Like I said, very easy. There's no splicing or nothing, which is what I like about it. Just plug and play, and yeah, that's it.